And the numbers are kind of ridiculous. Total revenue, $510,000 from sending out emails, literally to their product. So I didn't do anything except send out emails. $510,000. And there's rebills too. So some of these products are going to be rebilled in the future. Total revenue generated if these rebills go through, $822,240. $822,240. When the numbers get hard to say, that means you're doing good. So this is just as an affiliate, sending people to a highly targeted offer. But that was only because we built out a big email list. Okay, so do you guys see the value in that? It's repeatable, it's reliable. The traffic you spend, if you're spending for ads, you can reuse, because this is, these emails might be from people who joined my list a year ago or 2 years ago. And you can send targeted offers to them over and over again and generate what's called really an autopilot income. All right, so let me know if you want me to show you how to build out a high converting opt-in page, because you need that if you're going to build any email list. And the higher converting it is, the better it is, because you can send more ads to it and you're going to be able to build out a bigger email list. This will literally only take 1 minute. All right, it looks like yeses are flying in, show me's with 4 or 5 exclamation points. Okay, so pages are really, the goal is to get someone to enter in their email. Okay, maybe they're entering it in for like a free report like this. Maybe you're talking about giving them a checklist or a video, or free reports and checklists really do the best. But let me just kind of go through here. So let's do a demo for webinar. All right, that's what we're going to call our checklist. This version has themes, so we're going to always be adding new themes, but this is just one of the themes for the opt-in pages. And now it's building out all the pages we need. Okay, and as an opt-in page is super simple. All you need is a page right here that gets people to enter in their name and email, and then you have a thank you page, which maybe gives them the actual content that they opted in for. Maybe they opted in for a video, or maybe it's something else. Okay, so if there's no video, we can remove the video. All right, it's easy. So I'm going to write a headline, because there is a free report that we made that we give to all of our builder members. Actually, there's a bunch of them. And so I'm just going to do the 7, what should I do? The 3 dating no's, the 3 ways to success, the 7 steps to build a profitable business. Okay, let me do the 7 steps to build a profitable business. Okay, 7 steps to turning your passion into profits. All right, you saw how easy that is? I'm just clicking and editing, and this is a live page right here. The rest right here is just like the editor. So I would write something that captures their attention, that's specific as the headline, and also has the benefit, right? The benefit is turning passion into profit. And then here, I'm really going to focus on a call to action. I want to make sure they know exactly what to do. So get my 100% free report. Just enter in your name and email below, and I'll send it to you. All right, that's it. Now, if we wanted to get rid of this logo stuff, let's say we don't have logos, that's okay. You can just delete it, and that's done. And if we want to get rid of this book, this is really cool because we can add in an image. We can get an image made on Fiverr if we wanted to. Fiverr. You can easily get a book cover made, or you can just delete it, if you want. That's it. And so we just created this page. It's live, and we gave a subdomain as well, so it's already done. We can always change certain aspects too if we want to change the design, or let's say we want a really big button. This design is specifically made to give you like really big and juicy information here, which converts actually really well. So this is just one of the templates. They all look a little bit different. And then